So today we are going to be cooking in Remy's. We'll see who we have for customers today. We have Mickey and Donald Duck. Now Mickey wants a fruitcake. Donald Duck wants scrambled eggs. Okay, Remy, let's get started. Let's make the fruit cake. So you're gonna need wheat and 3 different fruits, or it could be all the same. Mickey's gonna love it. Mickey, I have your order. Here's your fruit cake. Enjoy. I know you're gonna love it and get leveled up. Now let's make scrambled eggs for Donald Duck. Let's see what we need. We just need eggs and cheese. Remy, I think Donald Duck is not going to be mad because he's going to be full. Now let's give the scrambled eggs to Donald Duck. Here you go, Donald. Just the way you like them. Here's your order. Enjoy. If you want to see more Disney Dreamlight Valley cooking videos, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today.